A warm good morning to all. My name is Adarsh. I am your environmental studies teacher. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, parts of a plant. So what is part of a plant? Do you have any idea? Parts of a plant means like stem, root, flower, then fruit, leaf, seeds, etc. We can say these are the main parts of a plant. Okay, so let's study in detail. What is parts of a plant? A plant has different parts: stem, root, flower, fruits, leaves, seeds are important parts of plant. All the parts are important for a plant's growth. Each part performs a different functions. So let's study in detail. Stem and root. What is stem and root? The stem and root hold a plant firmly to the ground and allow it to stand upright. Stem grows upwards above the soil. It supports the plant. It carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plant. Branches grow on the stem. Then roots grow below the soil. They hold a plant steady and upright. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So, what is stem? It is a part of a plant above the ground from which the leaf or flowers grow. It supports the plant. Then stem carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plant. Then what is root? The root is a part of a plant that grows under the ground and takes in water and food from the soil. Then roots hold a plant steady and upright. Next is flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Some plants bear flowers while some do not. The plants with the flowers are called flowering plants. Flowers are of different types and colors. So, what is a flower? Flower means it is the most attractive part of a plant. Some plants carry flowers and some plants do not hold flowers. Next, we are going to study about fruits. What is fruits? A fruit grows from a flower. It is a fleshy and juicy part of a plant. Fruits have seeds inside them. A mango has only one seed, while a watermelon has many seeds. Some fruits are edible while some are not. Apple and banana are some examples of edible fruits, while castor bean and bitter sweet are inedible fruits. So, in the case of fruits, simply we can say like this way: the part of a plant or a tree that contains seeds and that we eat. Simply we can say this is fruit. Then next, what is edible fruits? Edible fruits means those fruits we can eat, like apple, banana, papaya. Then inedible fruits. Inedible fruits means the fruits which is not good for eating. For example, castor bean, bitter sweet, like that way. Next is leaf. Each plant has leaves of a particular shape and color. They are mostly green. In some plants, the leaves lose their green color and turn yellow. They make food for the plant with the help of sunlight, air and water. Plants breathe through tiny pores in their leaves. So what is leaves? Simply we can say like this way, they are the kitchen of a plant because leaves make food for the plant with the help of sunlight, air and water. Then plants breathe with the help of leaves. Our last topic is seed. A seed grows into a baby plant. The baby plant then grows into a big plant or a tree. Seeds are found inside fruits. They can be big or tiny. The seed of a mango tree is big in size while the seeds of a papaya are small. So simply we can say a seed is the part of a seed plant which can grow into a new plant. So that's all about today's class. So I hope you all understood the topics which I had discussed today. So thank you. Have a nice day.